Welcome to this video, guys. If you see this error when playing a Roblox game that says error code 403, error encountered during authentication, let's see how we can fix this. We will see 3 methods to fix this. So let's start with the first one. Click on this more button here and click on logout. A reason for not being able to play a Roblox game is that you have been banned by Roblox. So what you can do is you can just create another account and sign in with an alternative account, and you should be able to play the game. But if you absolutely have to try and play with the existing account that you have, let's see what we can do. So the second thing is it might be a cache issue. So Roblox stores temporary cache files that might be hampering with your authentication process. So what you can do is delete the cache files, and it can be a bit complex according to your OS, like if you're on Mac or Linux or Windows. So a quick fix is to just close the application, press your Windows key, or if you're on Mac, you can just remove the app, search for Roblox player, right click on this and click on uninstall. Now you will be taken to install apps. Just follow the process of uninstallation and go back, scroll down to Roblox, just click on these 3 dots and click on uninstall, and Roblox will be uninstalled. It will remove all the setting files also. Now once this is uninstalled, open your browser again, go to roblox.com and log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you can just click on any game that you want, click on the play button, and now it will take you to Roblox download site, and you can just download and install Roblox from here by clicking this button. So this is the second method, and your game should work. If your game is not working even after installing Roblox again, let's see what we can do. So the third issue can be VPN or network issues. So what you can do is press your Windows key and search for networks. Here you will see settings, click on settings, click on network and internet. Here I am connected to a Wi-Fi. You can click on VPN, and here make sure that none of the VPN are connected. As you can see, I can see connect button next to all my VPNs available, and in your case these VPNs should not be connected. Okay, once VPN is disconnected, what you need to do is go to system, scroll down, go to troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and here you will see network and internet. Click on run and follow the steps of the troubleshooter, and your network issue should also be resolved. So these are the 3 steps which will help you fix the Roblox error code 403 error. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.